Welcome to our Summit Series Installation Guide. This series of videos will introduce you to the various installation concepts, components, and nuances you'll encounter with our Summit Series. The Summit Series is our new vertical cable railing that combines the modern aesthetic of cable railing with the classic vertical orientation. All of the tensioning hardware is integrated directly into the handrail, so once installed, you'll have a clean railing with no visible external hardware. All of the cables are already set at predetermined lengths of either 36 or 42 inches, so there's no cutting or crimping involved. The railing comes pre-configured in 8-foot and 4-foot panels, which allows you to quickly install even large projects thanks to the Mortise system. This allows you the flexibility to put together a large number of panels in a short span of time. The aluminum railing and posts are also highly modular. The handrail can either be cut down or spanned across longer distances to meet your specific project requirements. For this installation guide, we're going to install the Summit Series on a level run that turns 90 degrees down a short set of stairs. We'll be using the Summit Series installation kit, which includes all the tools that are necessary and can be found at cablebullet.com, as well as some highly recommended tools that aren't. These include a right angle drill, some rubber clamps, an angle finder, and a miter saw with a non-ferrous metal cutting blade. The general process will look like this. You'll lay out your posts, install handrail on level sections, install handrail on your stair sections, and then run your cables. We're going to go into greater detail on each of these steps in later videos. Speaking of which, you can access any of these videos in a playlist on our channel. To view the playlist, hit the link in the upper right-hand corner. Each video will have chapters, so if you're ever looking for a specific section, you can either use the YouTube timeline or find what you're looking for in the description. With all that out of the way, we're ready to dive into installing our Summit Series railing. You can either follow along with the playlists or hit the link for the next video where we'll cover laying out your posts. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.